Hello friends, you can log on to primeaptacademy.com to access complete free video courses. Okay, so this is the 34th question of the number theory chapter. Actually pretty interesting question. Question says 26 factorial upon 10 raised to power a is equal to p. This p is not an integer. That means it's a decimal or a fraction. If a holds the smallest possible value, a has the smallest possible value, then what is the 10th place of p? So p is a decimal, p can be, let's say, 1.7, something like that. So in 1.7, like if the number is 1.7, so the 10th place is this 7. Okay. So now the question over here is asking, what is the 10th place of p if a holds the smallest possible value? So first of all, I will find what is the power of 10 that can completely divide 26 factorial. Okay, so to get that, I will have to find the number of tens in it, the power of 10 in it. So what I'll do is, I'll try to prime factorize this 26 factorial first. Why I'm prime factorizing it? Because I just don't need the power of 10, I will also need the other numbers that are making 26 factorial. Okay, we'll understand why I need all those things. So 26 factorial is what? 26 into 25. So 26 I'll initially write as 13 into 2. This is 25 is what? 5 square. Then 24. 24 is 8 into 8 is 2 cube, 8 into 3. Then 23 is a prime number as it is. 22 is 11 into 2. And then 21 is 7 into 3. And then after 21, 20 is 2 square into 5, 4 into 5. Then 19, 18 is what? 9 into 2, which is 3 square into 2. Then 17, 16 is 2 raised to 4. Then 15 is 3 into 5. 14 is 2 into 7. 13 is as it is. 12 is 4 into 3, which is 2 square into 3. Then 11 is as it is. 10 is 5 into 2. 9 is 3 square. 8 is 2 cube. Then it is 7. 6 is 3 into 2. Then it is 5. Multiplied by 4 is 2 square. 2 square. Then after 2 square it is 4, after it is 3, and then 2. So this is the prime. I have basically mentioned all the prime numbers, 26 factorial and prime numbers. So what we're going to do is, I'll rub this off at the top. I will write the prime factorization of 26 factorial. So 26 factorial over here, what is the power of 2 that I get? 1, 2 from here, then 2 2's, 1 and 2, 3. So I'll just, 1, this is done. This is 3. Then 4. 4 and 3, 7. 7 and 1, 8. 8 and 2. 8 and 2 is 10. 10 and 1 is 11. 11 and 4, 15. 15 and 1, 16. 16 and 2, 18. 18 and 1, 19. 19 and 3 is no, so this is 23, sorry. 19 and 3 here, 22. 22 and 1 is 24. So it is 2 raised to power 24. Multiplied by how many 3's? So this is 1 3. Then 2 3's. Then 2 more, 4. Then here 5. Then 6 here, and 8. 6, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 3's, 3 raised to power 10. How many 5's? 5's is very simple. I can just go 5, 10, 15, 20 and 2 at 25, which is 6. So 5 raised to 6. 7 will be 7, 14, 21, only 3 7's. Okay, so 7 raised to 3. Then 11 will be 2, 11 and 22. Then 13 will be 2, 13 and 26. Then after that 13 there will be 17. there will be 19, and finally there will be 23. Okay, so this entire thing is the prime factorization of 26 factorial. Okay, now I will make 10s out of here. So to get a 10 I need 5 and 2. So there are 6 5s, I just need 6 2s from here. So then 26 factorial can be written as 10 raised to 6 into, now 6 of the 2s have been taken. So this will become 2 raised to power 18, because 18 and 6 is 24. So this is 10 raised to 6 into 2 raised to power 18 multiplied by 3 raised to 10 multiplied by all 5 are gone now, 7 cube into 11 square into 13 square into 17 into 19 into 23. This is what I get as 26 factorial. So 10 raised to 6 is the maximum power of 10 that can completely divide 26 factorial. If I increase this a further, I make it 10 raised to 7. So 26 factorial upon 10 raised to 7 will give me a decimal number. Also 26 further, if I increase 26 factorial upon 10 raised to power 8 will also give me a decimal number. Okay, but the smallest number over there will be 7, because a holds the smallest possible value. So the smallest possible value for which that this becomes a decimal is 7. So from here I conclude that first of all that a equals 7. So a is 7. Now if a is 7, what will be the 10th place of p? So now if you look at it, this 10 raised to power 6 into this entire number, whatever is the units digit of this number, which I am just put in bracket, I'll just change the color for the bracket. So this entire number that I am putting in this bracket, like in box, units place of this number will be the answer of this question, because 26 factorial upon 10 raised to 6 will give me this number basically. If I divide this further by 10, which becomes 26 factorial upon 10 raised to 7, that will be a decimal such that the units digit of this number is the 10th place of p. Okay, so basically we have to now find just the units place of this number. So units place of 2 raised to 18 we have to find. We know from cyclicity 2 raised to 1 is 2, 2 square 4, 2 cube 8, 2 raised to 4 6. These are the units place mentioned, and 4 is the cyclicity of 2. So 2 raised to, every multiple of 4 will end here. That means 2 raised to 16 will have 6. Then 2 raised to 17 will have 2, and 2 raised to 18 will have 4. So 2 raised to 18, let me write it on the next page. 2 raised to power 18, the units place, I am over writing UP is units place. Units place is 4. Then it is 3 raised to 10. 3 raised to 10, again cyclicity of 3 is what? 4. We know it. Okay, so 3 raised to 10 will be 3 raised to 1 is 3. 3 square is 9, 3 cube is 27, so the units place is 7, and 3 raised to power 4 is 1, units place is 1. So 3 raised to 10, so 3 raised to 8 will have 1, 3 raised to 9 will have 3, and 3 raised to 10 will have 9. So 3 raised to 10 has 9 as the units place. After that it is 7 cube. 7 cube is straightforward. 7 into 7 is 49. And 49 into 7, if you do 9 into 7 is 63. So 3 is the units place here of 7 cube. Then 11 square will have 1, always at the units place. 13 square will have 9, which is 3 square. Then after that it is actually numbers simply 17, 19 and 23. So 17 will have 7, 19 units place is 9, and 23 units place is 3. Now I am multiplying all these numbers, so I'll just multiply them and get the units place. So 4 into 9 is what? 36. So I'll just get 6 as the units place from here. After that I'll do 6 into 3. 6 into 3 is what? 18. So I will take 8 as the units place. I'll multiply 8 into 1, the next one. So 8 into 1 is 8 directly. Then 8 into 9. 8 into 9 is what? 72. 72 means units place is 2 here. Then I will do 2 into 7. 2 into 7 is 14. So take 4 as the units place. Then 4 into 9. 4 into 9 is 36. I'll directly write the units place as 6 of 36. Okay, and finally 6 into 3 is 18. 18. So my units place finally is 8. Okay, so over here units place of this entire number comes out to be 8, which will be the 10th place in P. So 8 over here is the right answer. This was quite an extensive question. This kind of question will probably not show up in the exam as such, but even if it shows, it's probably more of an Olympiad kind of a question. But why this question is important is because it basically talks about factorial, it talks about power of 10, it talks about how 10th place comes into picture, then it talks about prime factorization, then after it talks about cyclicity and units place from that, and finally it also talks about how you multiply the units place to get the final units place. Alright, so many concepts are covered in this one question. Alright, so quite an extensive question. It is definitely, once you attempt this kind of a question, a lot of your concepts will get cleared. Okay, so that's how we solve this.